Hello, welcome to another video. Today I am going to Antalya and I managed to find a bus which is going to Antalya. I think it's that one. And yeah, so I'm waiting for them. They said 10 minutes. So as soon as they're ready, so I'll be on that bus. Hello, welcome back, and I got inside the coach. This is the coach and we are going to Antalya. It's a coach. I'm on the only passenger. I think they are going that way to Trabzon, but they'll drop me on the way to Antalya, which costs 40 lira. Comparing to taxi prices, it's quite good, and it is hot in here. Let's start this journey to Antalya. Here we go.
Yüksel baba yüksel.
We are going to Antalya. And you guys sit and enjoy the ride. There's a doggy wandering.
Murat benim trak doldu ya, haberin olsun. Hatta tren diye.
So another interesting thing here on the coach that I'm the only passenger, but there will be more passengers. They will pick up from Antalya, and this is the captain here. Your name, captain? İsmi?
İsmin
Murat. Murat. Mr. Murat is the captain.
Seyfettin.
Seyfettin?
Evet.
And your name?
My name is Gürsel Yıldız.
Gürselus?
Gürsel.
Gürsel.
Evet.
Gürsel. And you're the captain as well? Driver?
What? What?
You're driver? Drive? Yeah. So you're backup?
Yes.
Ah, that's good. They have three drivers. They can change, and they're going to Trabzon, and it takes 17 hours from Antalya to Trabzon. That is a long way, but it's good. The coach is nice. It is got air conditioning and everything, and it's quite comfortable. It's 33 degrees outside.
Ben Now for değil. Şirketinizin Ali Osman
Aa, şirketi ismi.
Ali Osman Ulusoy.
Ali Osman. Oh, Ali Osman
Ulusoy. Ulusoy.
So in Turkish it says şirketinizin adı. It means name of your company. Interesting.
Best company.
Best company, yeah. So this is the first stop is Büyükşehir Belediye, something like that.
Aha bunlar.
There's a terminal here, coach terminal. So this is after Belek. So this is the first stop.
Adam gelsin.
Then the next stop is Antalya. So we got into the coach station, Antalya coach station. So this is the station, yeah? Teşekkür ederim.
Thank you.
Teşekkür ederim. Yeah. So we got here Antalya coach station, and let's find our way to Merkez. The big station. Merhaba. Metro bus Merkez.
Metro Merkez Underside. Lep Tramvay.
Merkez. Teşekkürler. Merhaba. Metro station. Metro. Tram metro. Merkez. From here?
First the exit. Go straight, turn left.
Turn left. This is a quite big coach station. Antalya coach station. So from here all types of, they're going to different cities. So finally I managed to find the tramway and got this ticket. There's a kind of card or something. It's got 20 something, 20 and a half lira on it. So let's see. When I touched in, it said 9 lira. So the tramway here to Muz is going down. So waiting for the train. Now I'm in here, which is Autogar, means coach station. I think this is the line that I'm going, and it is going to the Muse, which is museum. I think this area is most of the tourist areas. Hydraulic tower, the clock tower, and everything is on this area. So let's go and explore. Tramway. So this is a point of view from tram. This is all of the stops. I think the stops are close to each other.
Fazla yokmuş değil mi? Size yakın.
Yeah, just we got into a museum here, and I just got off that tram over there. And let's go and see what is around here. There is some local old trams as well. That is Antalya something. I think this is also one of the touristy areas. Lots of tourists come. Oh, this view is wonderful view. Beautiful. Yeah. So this area is called Muse, which is museum. There's the station. I don't know where is the museum. I'll find out. This is quite good. I think this is, which beach is this one? Konyaaltı beach? Maybe. Let me check out. And there is a nice like coffee shop or bar is in here. So I'm testing my wind slayer and see what's happening. How does it work? Because it is very windy in here. Let's put this one here, and I hope that the wind slayer works. Despite the weather is very hot, but I have put the wind slayer. I hope that doesn't make my camera too hot. And here we go. I will give you guys Konyaaltı beach, which is fantastic. Looks quite beautiful from here. And that's the view of the beach, the ocean, clean water, crystal clean water. And here is flag of Turkey and Antalya Sport. I think is the football team or something. The sun is quite hot. Let's see how long I can last in this hot weather. Oh, this is nice. Nice place you can take photos. And there is dogs here as well. You can go down the beach. There is a closer look of Konyaaltı Beach. Konyaaltı Beach. Konyaaltı Beach. It is a pebble beach. It is not sandy beach, but the water is cleaner and crispier than where I stay in Aquaworld. Yeah, it is a long way. So let's go explore something else. So this is Konyaaltı Beach. The closest station, if you're coming by tram, the closest station is Muse, which is museum, but I don't know where is the museum. I'll find out. There is some nice, I think, hotels are there and there, and there is another glass lift, I think, that we can use, go down to the Konyaaltı Beach. But let's explore what else is around, and I will see you guys in a bit. So I got here, and I think this is a lift which is free to use. You can go down and to the beach, Konyaaltı Beach. So now I'm on the other side of Konyaaltı Beach. That's where I was, and that side goes towards Kilichi and other places around. And that is Lara Beach. So here is Konyaaltı Beach from the another point of view. So let's go and explore some of these places. So let's explore something else, and we will come to the beach some other day. Let's go. So I am going to find something else, another activities. Kilichi, the old city, Adrian's Gate, yeah. Adrilik Tower, the clock tower, Saat Kulsi, something like that. I will find out the names properly, and we will go explore those ones. See you in a bit.